Okay, so the question is, I'm trying to file for a K1 visa, and so what's the best way to show my income as a sponsor? And so just know here that it's important to show that at least you're making above 100% of the HHS poverty guidelines. And you can find those every year. They change, and you can find them in Form 864P, I-864P. And so one of the ways, and some of the better ways to show that you're making above a certain level, is to show your W-2s if you're employed, your 1099 if you're a contractor, and then lastly, and more importantly, tax transcripts. Tax transcripts are some of the best source because it shows that you have filed and IRS has accepted it, and now it is their source, and so you're pulled it right from the IRS website that you can get this information. So if you go to the irs.gov, you can go and get access to online transcripts, and you can download them, and then you can use that so long as you're above the poverty guideline qualifications. And those are some good sources of showing your income, and in addition to that, if you have assets, so if you have a good sized bank account, that might be something to show as well. Just and a bank statement would be very helpful in those kind of cases. Thank you for watching.